today I'm driving to Temecula to go to Sail Ranch Farm Sanctuary with some friends. And it's really good timing. I think this opportunity came up to do this because I needed a bit of a break before I do the photography for the cookbook. And I love hanging out with rescued farm animals, obviously. And I think this is just going to be a really good reminder as to why I actually do hopper food. I mean, you probably know this, but I love animals so much. I feel like I can talk to them and that they talk back to me. But it was funny because I didn't actually start speaking vocally about animal rights and this sort of side of veganism until a few years into my whole journey. I've been to a couple other farm sanctuaries, but the cows almost never socialize with the humans, like other than the people that are there every day, but they are often really shy.
Spicy one, that love.
Oh, all these animals are such a great reminder to get me to the finish line of this thing, but now I gotta go back to work. Well, that's Eugenia. She's awesome, and she is helping me get all the recipe shots. She's basically doing the photography, and I'm basically doing all the food styling. And then there's 4 days of shooting the lifestyle photos with a different photographer, Vanessa, who you will meet. Eugenia's been here for now 10 days.
We've done probably like at least like 4,000 or 5,000 pictures in total.
4,000 or 5,000 pictures in total. Eugenia made a master schedule, not Snickle. And she did a really good job organizing that because I don't know how to do things like that anymore.
This is all shot, this is shot, all done.
If you don't have it up on the wall, it's just like doesn't exist. So we've gone 10 days straight. And at the beginning, we were doing like 13, 14-hour days. We've gotten better in the last couple days. So I'm just preparing the popcorn snack mixes, which is homemade popcorn, but then I just am giving suggestions as to like fun things you can buy at the store to like put in the, if you want like a snack mix, like, you know, party mixes. Whoever buys these vegetable chips? Literally nobody, but I found a use for them. Okay, kabocha.
I feel like it's just kind of tilted or something.
I'll just replace it with this one. So the food styling has been pretty realistic throughout this entire thing, but there are a few things you have to do that aren't what you would do if you were like having a dinner party and making food for someone, because this is about the photo. It's not really about the food or the recipe. Like, it is about the recipe, and obviously everything works, but a little bit of magic has to happen here for the photos. Like, is it like I'm bringing it to the table, or like I'm...
I don't know, maybe you just like, maybe you even have one.
Or like I'm going to grab some.
Yeah.
I wish it was more pink.
What if you throw a pink towel in there? This is the chosen
Yeah.
one? Okay, excellent.
They're all cool. This is our popcorn snack mixes. We thought it would look cool to fill the whole page like this. So that would be the page. And now we have to throw all this out. So now we clean up this and then we reset and we do the next one. Now it looks more like worms. It didn't when they were all on the plate to me.
What if we just place them way closer together and just like spill the chocolate in between them?
Okay, yeah, that looks good. There's like a shine on it now. This is the puff pastry 4 ways photo, and it's like a left to right page spread. We are doing the first day of the lifestyle shots, or the portraits. So these are photos where I'm in them, cooking, doing stuff, hanging out, living my life. So they're more atmospheric. It's not so much about the food, it's more about like me and my house, me and my kitchen. And this is Vanessa Heins, and she's awesome. She shot the last book. all those portraits that were like this.